Hello, my fellow devils. It's that time of year again, Valentine's Day. And I know a lot of girls be like, ooh, let's do Cupid and be angels. And you know what? That's fun and cute. And I like that too. But this year, I decided to be devilish. Now, my outfit's not exactly YouTube rated. It's a tiny little teddy, red lace, as you can see, from Victoria's Secret. And the back is just, well, very small. String, and a little triangle. And that's it. I paired it today with some lovely red stockings. I love the stockings from Lake Avenue. They are my favorite. They are always the ones I get. I find they fit comfortably, snug, yet not so snug they cut in, which is always key. Also helps, pro tip ladies, or guys for your ladies if she's complaining about her stockings falling down. You can use a garter belt, which is always comfortable and helpful. You can use straps that go just around their thighs, which sometimes can feel very restrictive and cutting in, which is not a great feeling. Or you can use, I use body tape. So I will use body tape that you'd use to tape your shirt down. You can put a little few dots around your thighs and stick your stockings to those. It encourages them to stay up more, which is very key. Nothing worse than constantly pulling them up for every video you do. So if you're looking for a little more devilish fun this Valentine's Day, you guys know where to go get the fun. Of course, here I love to share with you guys, let you know what I'm up to, notify you of what kind of content I've got coming. Then all the tea stuff is on Patreon, which is linked down below and at the end of the video. And then for the spicier devil in you, you can head to my website, which is myname.com, or you can go to my OFlans page, which is oflans.com/myname. To have all the goodies. Now, the photos only go to my website. That's myname.com. And we had so much fun with these. I really liked what TC came up with. He had lots of fun with the lighting, and it just had this moody kind of devilish feel to it, which is always fun. You guys know me. I have been online now for, coming up next month, 14 years. Yes, 14, 1-4. Still having fun, but trying to come up with different or new twists to things that I haven't done before. I love putting a new twist on something or combining two things to get more of a twist or switching around my words for things. It just makes it a little more fun for me, a little more interactive. You guys know me. I am, as some people have said, the JOY queen. So those are always included because I just feel like it's more interactive. And I like feeling that I know you guys are having fun and interacting with me. I hope that you guys have a fantastic Valentine's Day. Mwah! I will link the teddy and the stockings in the description below in case anyone is interested. And of course, no. I did not cut off all my hair and dye it platinum, even though I do love this wig and I love this look. I didn't do it for real. This is just one of my favorite wigs that comes from Kisma on Amazon. I have quite a few of their wigs. They're very reasonably priced, beautiful colors, some very natural, some more pinks and purples and bright colors. So I will also link that for you for their store below because they're really reasonably priced, and honestly, I've not been disappointed with one yet. Well, don't forget to click that subscribe button, guys, because you know what? We're almost to my goal. My goal is to get to 100,000 subscribers. This is my most longest running YouTube channel. They've been mean and shut me down before. So I've lost a lot of followers along the way. So my goal is to get to 100,000 because honestly, I would just kind of like that silver plaque that says YouTube. I know, it's silly. A girl can dream though, right? So if you know people who might like my content, recommend me to your friends. That would be dope and totally awesome. And I would really, really appreciate that, guys. I'm not sure what I'll do when we get to 100,000, but it'll be something epic, I think. That's what I'm kind of planning. So hopefully we'll get there before the end of this year. All your guys' love and support really does mean so much to me. Hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Mwah! Click the picture of my face, then you're subscribed. And these videos are cool other things I know you're going to enjoy. See you soon.